So super quick, I just wanted to give a demo of how it worked. It took me a few minutes to kind of figure it out myself, so if you haven't got to this point yet, I thought I'd share it with you. So anyways, just like the regular power switch, you've got a terminal A and terminal B, and I can't read it here because it's a little dark out there, but I think that's, what does that say, A and B maybe? Yeah, well, let's find out. It doesn't even really matter. Anyways, so let me first cut the power to these two rail guns. This is my north and south rail guns from my headquarters. So with the priority power switch, you just link your main grid to A, and then B is going to go to whatever you want to turn on and off. In this case, it's my two rail guns. Just going to put that back there. Go into here. You switch this on, which allows you to name it. And that was an option in the original power switch, so I figured they were moving towards this. But the way they did it was just awesome. I love the way they did it. It was nice and simple. So anyways, I'm going to name this, I'll name it HQ Railgun. I think that's one word, right? Yeah, HQ Railgun, north, south. And that's it with the naming. Now you go to the circuit breaker priority. This is when it gets cool. So I've named it so it pops up over here. And I'm just going to slap it down there into priority group 1. It's currently on, which is good. I'm sorry, it's not on. It's actually off. To turn it on, just go like that. And now it's on. Now you can see just these two railguns, they're churning out about 20 to 2100 megawatts, which is a decent amount. You want to be able to turn these off. So that's my one railgun. Now I'm going to go to my quartz factory. Show you on the map. It's right over here. Way over there. So now we're going to go check it out. Ooh, power slug. Okay, and here's my rail gun over here. So I'm basically going to do the same thing. Just get rid of that, cut the power, and let's get a priority power switch. We'll put that right there. Close that up. Alright, so this one, turn it on, and I'm going to call this quartz railgun. Now it's right over here, so bring that there. No longer at headquarters, so I can just turn that off from here. That's the best thing. It is so awesome. I love it. And you can do it with as many as you want. So now I'm going to go over to my oil fields. I don't know. I think I'm going to have to put my jetpack on for this one. Go past the new monsters. Hey, buddy. And same thing here. Slap that priority on right about there. A to B. Close it up. Just gonna call this oil fields railgun, real original. That over there. And so yeah, that's basically it. You can turn them all on, turn them all off. This is going to save so much energy. Gonna get my battery levels back up to 100% because now I can turn things off remotely, and it doesn't, obviously, not just for the railguns, but for anything. So, yep, I am loving it. Well, thanks for watching my video, and I will see you later.